Evidence GA5 line 24020251 line AA1 line EV03 video about the basic stage of a company process and the people in a work team. March 2024. Apprentice Luis Freddy Montoya. Teacher Viviana Fernanda Torres Avila. SENA Design and Manufacturing Industrial Center, Analysis and Development Software, Florida Blanca. Summary. In this evidence, I want to express my point of view about the basic stage of the process of a company and the people in a work team. While I do it, I use what I learned from the training material about the English language. This document expresses a short opinion about the organizational process and the elements that compose them and how people get involved in this. Organizational processes. Organizational processes involve activities that are linked to each other in addition to having people who carry out the procedures while operate the tools that are part of them. The organizational processes dimension refers to the perceptions that members of the organization have about the way communication, leadership, decision making and other processes influence the work environment and the final results of organizational management. The structure is the key for the organization as a stage of the administrative process, with the clarity of who performs certain function or tasks, and also how each of them relates to each other. The position and obligation of the elected people become relevant, always considering the chain of command. After the structure of the organization, there must be good communication between the parts of the organization as an important pillar for proper functioning. When people are well informed and there is a good communication between the parties, things flow in the best way. But if there is not a good communication, problems and failures may appear in the process. The four main stages of organizational development: diagnosis, planning, implementation, assessment. Although they must also have human personnel with a good ethical and moral principles. In my personal experience, an organization must have a good organizational climate, and this is achieved with good communication, constant feedback between the different parties. With these elements, the growth of an organization is assured. Unless a good organization climate is lacking and is based on excellent communication.